Shandong Somate Machinery Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of construction machinery products integrating trade, and located in Jining City, Shandong Province. Our team has over 16 years of specialized expertise in manufacturing and exporting in this industry. We possess comprehensive industry knowledge and proven technical capabilities that ensure reliable high-performance solutions for every project. The main products include mini excavators, skid steer loaders, mini road rollers, remote control lawn mowers, dump truck sweep, and we have different types of engines that meet the emissions requirements of different countries. Our main production equipment includes miniature machines equipped with laser cutting machines and other advanced processing equipment. As a professional supplier, we have an excellent cooperation team dedicated to product design and development, quality control, and inspection. In order to provide customers with satisfactory products and services, we have established a modern quality management system according to international standards. We adhere to the principle of mutual benefit and enjoy a good reputation among our customers because we provide professional service, high-quality products, and competitive prices. The products sell well in all provinces and cities in China and are exported to the United States, Germany, France, Australia, Spain, Russia, Canada, Malaysia, Brazil, Chile, and other countries and regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you have any new ideas and suggestions for our products, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to cooperating with you and providing you with satisfactory products.